going on, guys? Antrod here, and welcome to Sound Effects Session Part 2. Oh, jeez, not another one of these. Today, we have a total of 11 sounds. 11 sounds. You can count. Are you gonna keep interrupting me, or can I go on with the video on my own? What if I feel like interrupting you? What if I'm just here to annoy you? I mean, I am your deep voice, and, the deep voice itself is annoying. Yeah, well, you're an idiot, okay? I'm making this video, you're not. You're at the end of it where you say to like, share, and subscribe, etc. So, I'm making this thing, you don't even have to be here. Yet, you're giving me the voice. So, who's the idiot now? Haha, see? I am the voice coming out of you, in which case you are the idiot. Yeah, what? Hold on, pause for a second. You do realize that you're enjoying a guy arguing with himself? Hey, that's why they have ventriloquism. Yeah, but that's a guy with a puppet. You're just a voice. A voice that you made. Alright, I'm gonna go on with the video. If you could please leave me alone until the end so I could finish it, that'd be just fantastic, okay? No, I want to be in the video too. I'm sick of being at the end. I mean, I know I was at the end for only one video, but still, I want to be in the video, and you can't do nothing about it. My name's Antrod, and I'm going to show you something. I hate to see what's coming out of that, mute button right now. Okay, so like I said, we have a total of 11 sounds. We're going to put them together, we're going to do them, hope you enjoy it. Wait, what's we? There was you, but you're currently muted, so it's just me. I'm going to try doing as much sound effects as I can for you guys. And this one's going to be a little different, just a little different. There's a lot of sounds today that I am not comfortable yet with. A lot of these I'm kind of used to. Most of these, a lot of these, half and half. Let's start off with the first one. Number 1, A Goat by Tyler Boles. Here we go. Power first. Perfect. Okay. The next sound by Zion_Woods is a jet going by. The next we have by Anthony Engel, a police car. This is easy. Alright, we have another one by A Pinto 0718, a mushroom sound from Mario. I'm gonna try this. This is my first time. Let's try it. This next one is a rather difficult sound. My first time practicing it. My first time actually getting a request for this one. A can of soda opening by Storylissa? I apologize if that's wrong. Warning, I am here to embarrass myself for you guys. Just flash down the bottom of the screen. Here we go. Okay, hold on. It's... The next one we have is a Micheal Jackson thing. Alright, let me see if I got this right. Let me see if I can do this. The next one we have, person didn't want the name said. And it's a cow. Cow. I really don't know how to do this. The next one we have is a car alarm. This person didn't want their name said either. Here we go. Full embarrassment warning. Let me ask you this one question. Was it annoying after a couple of seconds? Then it worked. The next we have is asked by Ashley Trey. It is the iPhone ringtone. The next one we have is a rather a sad sound effect. I know it's just a sound effect, but there's a little bit of a meaning behind it. This next sound is requested by Rosemary Pinto, who's my grandmother, and our cat, Bruno, recently passed. He just passed, I think, like Saturday night, and today is Tuesday. My grandmother requested that I do his meow. Yeah, a certain meow, and he said his name, sort of. So, his name was Bruno. So here's my, kind of how he sounded. This is the last one we have, a Poof Sound by Zion Woods. Let me see if I can do it.
Yes, I broke out of the mute button. So, now that he's gone, I have 2 things to tell you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Go to Instagram, go to Facebook. Please feel free in the next video to comment below, or go to my Instagram and comment the different sounds you want me to do. We currently have 5 for the next video, so please feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe all below. And please leave a comment and a like. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.
Sorry about that. Hope I didn't miss anything. Please feel free to, I'm sorry, I disappeared to downstairs. I don't know. It was just like I poofed and... Anyway, please feel free to like, share, subscribe. Go to my Facebook and Instagram, Twitter areas. They are in the comments. They're comments. Oh yeah, I put myself in comments all the time. They're in the description. I recently came back from Tennessee, where I performed for the 2nd time, as well as other things. An amazing trip. Another performance on stage called Punch Up the Sound. Feel free to check it out. It's really cool. It's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below what sound you want me to do in the next video, or go to my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter areas. Literally say, hey,
do this sound effect.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Antrod out.